Are you ready to witness the SoundHound AI stock take a nose dive before catapulting into orbit like a supercharged comet? Have you ever seen the SoundHound stock and SoundHound AI team up in a mind-blowing, turbocharged frenzy that shatters every notion of traditional AI stock market prediction? Or could it be that SoundHound and SOUN Stock are gearing up for an explosive surge that'll have even the most die-hard Trump Soundhound AI fans hollering, "Hooray," in pure unbridled excitement? If that tickles your fancy, be sure to slam that subscribe button and crank up the notifications. Every little click sends our content soaring like a rocket-powered stallion, helping us ride the YouTube algorithm like a posse of digital cowboys. Welcome, fellow tech thrill-seekers and market mavericks, to today's rollercoaster deep dive into the electrifying world of SoundHound AI stock. Buckle up as we unravel why this powerhouse, along with SoundHound stock and SoundHound AI, is stirring up a market maelstrom that's as unpredictable as a cosmic rodeo. In recent weeks, the chatter about SoundHound AI stock has been nothing short of a dizzying flip-flap fandango. After a brief tumble that left investors exclaiming, "Oh fiddle-faddle," in disbelief, insiders are now whispering that SoundHound AI is about to explode. Rumors of SoundHound will double are swirling around like confetti in a digital tornado, and the question on everyone's lips remains, better buy Sirens or SoundHound AI? This debate is hotter than a jalapeno in a heatwave, sparking lively discussions across every forum dedicated to artificial intelligence stocks. The market is currently being bombarded by buzzwords like AI stock market prediction and best AI stocks, with SoundHound AI stock prediction models forecasting a rebound that's more spectacular than a supernova. Every headline about SoundHound stock makes it clear, this isn't your everyday ticker. It's a rallying cry for those who believe in the transformational power of artificial intelligence stock innovations. Picture this, a virtual arena where every surge in SoundHound AI stock sends shockwaves through the market, leaving investors exclaiming, "Hooray," as they ride the wave of profit like a band of tech-savvy bull riders. Let's take a closer look at what's igniting this digital bonfire. Recent market trends show that short-term dips can be the prelude to epic comebacks. Think of it as a whoopsie-boozy bonanza where every minor setback is merely the calm before the next roaring storm. Analysts are buzzing with predictions that SoundHound AI stock is on the verge of a breakthrough, with many shouting that SoundHound will double in value. With its cutting-edge AI algorithms, real-time data prowess, and visionary tech integration, SoundHound AI is not just surviving, it's poised to dominate the arena of AI stocks. And it doesn't stop there. The phenomenon of Trump Soundhound AI has added an unexpected twist, merging the worlds of politics and technology in a way that's as head-spinning as of zappy-dappy Zoom. While the crossover might seem quirky, it underscores the massive attention SoundHound AI stock is attracting from every corner of the market. Even if you're a casual observer, the explosive potential of SoundHound and its compatriots in the AI stock universe is impossible to ignore. Imagine the scene, a vibrant digital rodeo where every jump in SoundHound stock sends waves of excitement through the crowd. In this arena, bullish investors are practically dancing a Bam Bam Bravo jig as they watch the charts, their cheers echoing like 1,000 hooray exclamations. It's as if the market itself is throwing a wild, uncontainable party, one where every dip is a setup for an even more dazzling leap forward. So, what does all this mean for you, our adventurous investor? Whether you're a veteran in the AI stock game or just starting to explore the dynamic world of AI stock investments, the current scene with SoundHound AI stock offers an unparalleled opportunity. The recent dip isn't a sign of doom, but rather the prelude to a staggering rebound. With predictions like SoundHound AI stock prediction pointing to explosive growth and a rally cry of strong by SoundHound echoing across trading floors, now is the time to keep a keen eye on this market dynamo. The dialogue among experts is as lively as a high-energy hoedown. The constant debates, like better by Sirens or SoundHound AI, add a sprinkle of excitement to every market update. With every analysis and forecast, it's clear, SoundHound AI is on a collision course with greatness. And in this world of best AI stocks and relentless market chatter, every investor is eager to see this titanic force break through the noise and skyrocket to unprecedented heights. Now, if you're thinking this wild ride is too much to handle, let me drop a little joke. Why did the stock market investor bring a lasso to the trading floor? Because he heard SoundHound AI stock was about to rope in some massive gains. Okay, maybe that one's a bit silly-sally, but in a market swirling with electrifying energy, a good chuckle is as welcome as a cool breeze on a summer's day. As we continue our journey through the swirling vortex of AI stocks, remember that every moment of volatility in SoundHound AI stock is merely a stepping stone to a grander spectacle. The powerful blend of cutting-edge technology, visionary innovation, and a bit of that unpredictable market magic means that this stock is primed for a future that could rival the wildest dreams of every tech enthusiast. The promise of SoundHound will double isn't just a hopeful mantra. It's a battle cry for those ready to ride the waves of innovation into a horizon filled with endless possibilities. Before we wrap up, let's give a hearty shout-out to all the daring souls keeping a watchful eye on SoundHound stock and SOUN stock. Whether you're cheering from the sidelines or actively riding the bull of the AI stock market prediction, your passion fuels the very heartbeat of this exhilarating market rodeo. So next time you see a headline about SoundHound AI stock, remember, it's not just a number, it's a dynamic force in the realm of artificial intelligence stocks that's here to stay and shine.